Did you know a fully loaded Boeing 747 weighs about as much as 400 elephants? That's right. These giants of the sky are not just impressive for their size, but also for their engineering marvels. When it takes off, it can reach speeds of 180 miles per hour in just seconds. Just think about it. That's like a cheetah sprinting while carrying a small village. And here's a fun twist. Pilots often joke that flying is the only profession where you can be halfway through your workday and still be in your pajamas. So, next time you see a plane soaring above, remember, it's not just a mode of transport. It's a flying elephant filled with stories and adventures. What will your next flight bring?